So today we'll be hiking a new path from Negite into the valley of the Negite River, Rio. Here with Lars, he is the tour guide of today. Lars says hi. Road to Negite. You see the pole and then we take a ride down over the concrete road. We walked the concrete road down to Messina, and well, we mapped the street poles as well on every door. So at some point we have a small goat path that leads up. So interesting, the path itself is really the old Ezechia, and now there are plastic pipes, and sometimes you can feel that under your feet, but this must. So actually it's part of another route which is not on OpenStreetMap, the Ruta de las Margaritas. And that's actually what we've been hiking. So the goat path, and now it joins. And this, it said it's a river here, but it's actually a, what do you call it, a Rambla or an Ezechia? No, this is an... Okay, and we cross it. So up here on the path, get beautiful views into the valley of the Negite River, which is totally seems uninhabited, and it's uncharted. This path is not any map, although you could say it's an Ezechia, so maybe you shouldn't walk here. So here, this tree is burnt. That's maybe caused by lightning. You see this beautiful valley, all uncharted. And it's easy, it's relatively easy going. Okay, there are some heights, but easy. Of a movie. So the path ends here, or ends, at least gets into the place where I think the water is. So now you clearly see the Ezechia and the path together. And there's a sort of water station. And this is the tricky part. So from down you need to climb up and then walk a bit over the tree, which is a bit overgrown. So we brought secures to cut a bit of the actually blackberries, so this path even gets easier. Climbing out of the river valley, it's a little bit, it's a T4 level, I think. Requires a little bit of mountain climbing technique. The most difficult piece is getting up or down here. It's quite slippery, but probably up is so. Out from the river, now 950 meters. The path becomes a track actually. Could come here with 4x4. Still ascending. Okay, so from down, path joins the GR7 here. Now.